Welcome back, viewers, to another episode. Today, we're delving into one of the most infamous locations of the 20th century, Adolf Hitler's bunker. Join me as we explore what remains of this historically significant site. We find ourselves in Berlin, standing near the entrance of what was once Adolf Hitler's underground refuge during the final days of World War II. The Führerbunker, as it was known, was a heavily fortified complex located beneath the Reich Chancellery. Construction of the Führerbunker began in 1943, and it served as a command center for Hitler and his closest associates during the war. It was designed to withstand intense bombings and provided protection against air raids. As we step inside, it's clear that the passage of time has taken its toll on this once secretive underground labyrinth. The Führerbunker was mostly destroyed after the war, but remnants of its concrete walls and rooms still exist beneath the city streets. This map displays the layout of the bunker complex, giving us a sense of its scale and the various rooms that comprised it. It included living quarters, offices, a conference room, and even a small cinema. This area right here is believed to have been Hitler's personal quarters. It consisted of a small bedroom, a study, and a conference room where he held meetings with his inner circle. Today, all that remains are empty rooms, devoid of their former grandeur. This sealed entrance leads to the area where Hitler and his wife, Eva Braun, tragically ended their lives in April 1945. It's a stark reminder of the dark history associated with this place. The Führerbunker holds immense historical significance as the site where Hitler spent his final days before committing suicide. It represents the collapse of the Nazi regime and the end of World War II in Europe. Have any artifacts or relics been discovered within the bunker? Yes, during excavations, various items have been found, including personal belongings, documents, and fragments of furniture. These artifacts provide valuable insights into the daily life and mindset of those who resided in the bunker. As we wrap up our exploration of what remains of Hitler's bunker, it's clear that this site continues to captivate historians, reminding us of the atrocities committed during that dark period of history. It serves as a somber reminder of the consequences of unchecked power and the importance of learning from our past. Thank you for joining us on this episode. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the mysteries of our past. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.